Hi guys, welcome back to Pankaj Excel Expert lecture. Third topic is all about data selection within a second. Before starting my lecture, please go and subscribe my YouTube channel Make Me Smart and follow me on Facebook Pankaj Excel Expert. Let's start. This is my data. In this data you are not going to face any problem, but I just want to start from here, that you all know that how we select our data. Basically, those who are already working, what they will do, what you all are doing normally, just shift and press right arrow to select the data, or else from down, control shift down arrow. Yeah, within a second you will get select. You can select very whole data. But what when your data is like this way, when there is a space in between your range, what you have to do, you will repeat the same things. If you are repeating the same things, then this is the biggest problem for you all when you are selecting your data, when your data is on the thousands of when your data is thousands. So I will do the same things over here, but I will show you a smart way to do the same things. When you repeat the same method, control shift down arrow, it will take so much time. You can see my data is 20,000. It will take time. So it's better to use my method, or else you know very well about. If you know this method, that's great. So let me start with this method. So what you have to do, just go over here in address bar, and if you know the range, then you can select within a second world data. What do you have to do this? See, for my starting range is here, my end range is F20,000. Just I press enter, my whole data got selected within a second. I told you, within a second. Another method is also you can do. I'm going to repeat again. What do you have to do? From where to where you want to, where is your end cell you want to select, just go over here, press C4. This is my starting point, and colon F20,000. Just press enter, your whole data gets selected. If there is any space, that all will get selected. This is the best method to select when there is a space in between, there is an empty cell in between range. Okay, another method is that if you know the range, if you don't want to press any control and shift, if you are too lazy person, then you can apply this method too. But this method is also very important. Please remember this method also, but we use very rarely this method. What do you have to do? From where you want to start? I want to start from C4 again. Okay, so what I have to do, you can see here any message, there is no message. So what do you have to do? Just press F8 and you will see the message, extend selection is activated. Press F8. Okay, now where I will create my cell, that range will get selected. You can see my range is selected now from here. Wherever I click, that whole range will select from a starting point to end point. This is my end point, this is my end point. My whole data is selected. If I want to deactivate, then I press again F8, my data get deactivated. Okay, this is a smart way to do. Is there any other way? Please suggest me or comment me and let me know also, so I will share your thoughts, your ideas with my whole teams. Okay, I hope you will like it. Please like, subscribe and share this video to your all friends, and please follow me on Facebook and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye, see you again.
सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाओ, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करो so that you don't miss another update from my channel.